All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring with another SAT type math problem for you. This is actually a quite easy one, but it's good to practice this anyway because it's a skill that you need to know. Now, before we go into it, make sure that you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then also after you finish this video, I'm going to want you to share it with one of your friends or with some high schooler who's also preparing for the SAT. All right, so this problem goes as follows. In 1995, it costed approximately $48.30 to fill up a 1995 model Chevrolet Suburban gas tank with an average gas cost of 115 per gallon of gas. How big in gallons was the gas tank of the 1995 Chevrolet Suburban? So, if you know anything about filling up a gas tank in today's world, and you know anything about Chevrolet Suburbans, this is this is pretty cheap gas, okay? Relatively speaking, of course. The further back you go, the cheaper it was. But anyway, I digress. But I do remember gas around this time. Now, anyhow, so let's look at our information. It costs $48.30 to fill up a tank in the Chevrolet Suburban, and then gas costs us 115 per gallon. Okay. Now, because we know the total cost of gas to fill up the tank, that's 48.30. If we use this, what I call conversion factor, 115 per gallon, um, so let me actually refer to this as $48.30 per um tank. Okay. Um, so what we can do is actually, I don't know if I want to do that. Um, let's not do that because that's going to end up being probably a little confusing. But anyhow, it's $48.30 total. And we know that it's a 115 per gallon of gas. We're wanting to know how big in gallons the gas tank was. Now that I look at this, I see that it'll work to put tank there. But anyhow, we're going to use this conversion factor, multiply it by this in a special way to get how many gallons are in the gas tank of a Chevrolet Suburban. The way we do that is by asking ourselves, what units do we want the answer to be in? We want it to be in gallons, okay? So if we want this to be in gallons, the way we use this conversion, which is 115 per gallon, we want the gallon part of this ratio to be on top, the dollars part to be on the bottom. So it's going to be times 1 gallon is 115. And if you notice, gallon, since it's in the numerator, it's gonna be in the answer. The dollars is gonna go away. The unit is gonna go away. We're gonna be left with gallons. Okay. So what you have is 48.30 times 1 divided by 115. So let's do that. And this gives us 42 gallons. So in other words, a Chevrolet Suburban tank was 42 gallons in size. Okay. Now we could have did $48.30 per tank, and then the answer would have just been 42 gallons per tank, and that's fine. But anyhow, the main thing to learn from this is you have to remember how unit conversions work, how to use whatever ratio or unit conversion um, in a math problem in a way that you get the units that you want. Because if you can kind of figure out how to make the units cancel out the right way, then you're going to get the right answer. All right. Remember, like, subscribe, share, stay tuned for the next problem. And that's pretty much it. Y'all have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.